So if you do have Creative Cloud opened up, great. If not, make sure to go ahead and open it up. You can go ahead and just search Creative Cloud from your Spotlight, and it'll go ahead and open that up. I already have it opened up. Now you should be able to find XD under your installed apps. If you're not on this page, you can get to it simply by clicking on all apps on the left side over here, and then go ahead and click on open. And that will simply go ahead and open up your Adobe XD. Once you do have XD opened up, you don't need to actually have Creative Cloud open. So you can go ahead and close this window and simply just have XD opened up. So this is the first page that you see in XD. It's your file browser and essentially where you'll be able to access all your files. Why don't we work our way from the top left here to the bottom right so we can go through what this file browser has to offer. So at the very top left over here, you'll see a new file option. So from here, you'll be able to create new files where you can design your mobile and web apps or whatever you're designing. You can go ahead and open files from here. So if you already have, whether it's a Photoshop file, a sketch file, or another XD file, you can go ahead and open them up from here. Once you do click on it, it will go ahead and ask you to locate that file and open it up from there. This is our home page, which is where we are here. From the home page, you'll be able to access starting a new document, but in a faster way. So if you do already know what device you're going to be designing in, so let's say I'm going to be designing for an iPhone 12 Pro Max display size, I can go ahead and click on this, and what that will do is open the file and generate that pre-size format or the sizing for the artboards for me, which we'll do in the next lecture. So let's hold off on that. But this is great because this way, with all the sizing over here, you don't really need to look it up online. And so that makes our design process a lot faster. Similarly, if you are designing for a web project, this is typically the size that we design for, 1920 by 1080 pixels. Now you can go ahead and use these other two options, which are less common, but also available. You can go ahead and create a document for Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Twitter, Facebook posts, even YouTube video covers. So you have access to those as well if you're working for a branding type of design. Or you can go ahead and create a custom design by entering the width and the height of your artboards. And we'll go ahead and generate that for you. And down here, Adobe XD will give you a link to some of their articles where you can actually explore some of the features available. But of course, we're going to go through those features in much more depth throughout the course. Moving down here on the left side, you'll see your files. So right now, because I don't have any files created, I won't see anything here. But once I do start working on new files, it will show up over here and I'll be able to create new folders from here to organize my files or see them as lists or grids. And if other people have shared projects with me with my Creative Cloud account, I can see them from here. If I have designs published, I can manage the links over here for projects I've created, published, or shared. And if I have any deleted files, it will go ahead and show up here, which is great because if you accidentally delete a file that you were working on, you can access it from right over here, kind of like a trash can on your computer. So without further ado, let's go back to the home screen and learn how we can actually create new files together in the next lecture.